Hi, I'm Stacey Krizan with Krizan Consulting and High Ticket Launch Coach. I'm most recently doing the Cryo Contouring Launch School on the school platform. And so one of the topics that we are discussing recently is about how to how to become referable so that way you can have more organic leads that convert faster and have exponential growth. So I'd like to give you an example, maybe just at least one example to show you how this process works and then how you can duplicate it in your own business. Okay. So first off, the who is going to be referring is really important. I generally like to choose somebody who has demonstrated organic interest and became a client. So meaning somebody who has had a specific positive experience in your business. You could probably find these people because they tell you they love your business. They either share it on their socials. They either like and comment on your posts that you're making on your business socials. They leave you a 5-star review that is very specific, not just 5 stars. And they do it with like more personalization versus just resharing or reposting. I like to make sure that they're an actual client who has experienced the entire process from beginning to end, meaning that they're not somebody who just saw your business online and wants to promote you, but in fact is a client who has a personal experience and knows what it's like from soup to nuts, like what devices you have, what your room looks like, what the staff is like, and what it was like to find your business and then become a client. You might just have found them because they attended an event or they attended a demonstration. But regardless of how they found you, it's how they experience your business that's really important. This is a really exciting marketing initiative or a business tool because this is, if you do this process of becoming referable and benefit with exponential growth, these are tools that you can help your influencers or people that you'd like to be related to or have a relationship with that are influencers convert into advocates. Additionally, it's a great way for you to take your current client advocates and help them elevate their platform to become influencers. So in this example here, on this slide, I actually have a link, 2 links. One is to a social post where somebody actually made a very specific testimonial around how much they loved their experience, how they dropped a couple of sizes, and gave a full public endorsement that they would recommend this for anybody that is interested in getting slimmer abdomen before their spring break and their summer vacations. It's really important to get the content, meaning if a client says that they really enjoy your experience, record that conversation. Ask them, would you mind if I did a voice testimonial so at least I can use it for training purposes? Because this is what good looks like. And I want to teach my staff that this is what the goal is of their work efforts. Okay, so what do you want to share? So I call it a referral kit, and it's actually something I read in one of the books, I think Unstoppable Referrals. And it's an amazing way to actually just think about the components of a referral relationship being a milestone with some tangible things. So these are the 4 things I think required in the referral kit. You need to have some sort of offer, meaning if you offer a first-time client discount, extend that to your person who wants to be your referral advocate and maybe even make it a sweeter deal. So for example, in my business, I offer $50 off a first-time client. You can see it on Instagram, Facebook, on our website. That is for my organic leads. And so when I have somebody who wants to like refer clients, I also give them either the $50 discount that they can extend to their audience, or maybe even a little bit more, like $75. That way it gives them a preferential offer to their audience. Make it so easy, rather than saying, hey, you should call Stacey and she'll hook you up with her appointment. Give that person either a link, whether it's the link to the offer with the specific information, a link so they can read the information and book a consultation or an appointment, and print that information. So I recommend having 2 printing. One printing of the offer. So I have a picture. I have this. It is a printout, and it's actually kind of like can stand and live at the desk of my client. So when people come up to her, she can talk about it.